Yo, how to do a backflip if you're 9, 10, 11 years old. So if you're a young person wanting to do a backflip, you're in luck, because the younger you learn, pretty much the better off you are, especially if you're 9, 10, or 11. That's a good age to learn a backflip. I learned at 11. But what you're going to do is you're going to start on the trampoline and just do sideways back handsprings, and then until you're doing it a normal back handspring, you're going to do backdrops, land on your back and then go backwards, and then take it to a mattress and then take it onto grass. Once you can do it on grass, you're ready. Or once you can do it on a mattress, then bring it out on grass. It's really all mental, guys. Like, you just have to really like try it. Swing your arms as hard as you can. Swing your arms as hard as you can. Jump up. Don't jump out. Jump up and tuck your knees in as quick as you can. Tuck tight, and you're gonna make it around if you believe, guys. You have to believe, though. Like, this is all mental. Trust me. So, yeah. I pray that God would bless you with courage to do the backflip. Just try to bring out your mattress out of your living room and then just try to do the backflip. But like I said, I pray that God would give you courage to do this. Check out our channel for more videos. God bless. Have a great day.